I've been thinking about them days that we came up in the South. Soul food, church events, southern rap, wildin' out. In the spring, in the summer, sleep over pallets and couch. Playing sports, hide and seek, doing flips, now a drought. Getting older, changing funds, switching topics in our dreams. Much more subtle, unlike stress, and our friends' enemies. Living hard, party harder, no restraints. Think we free, but we not, cause we bothered by the loss of history. I got pictures that's like visions of my exes and the good times we did it. I'll admit it was a blessing that we took off for granted. Now can't stand them and it damaged livelihood, but can't panic what I'm handed. I keep scrambling like I should, but I travel from that pleasure cause that pain was heavy glue. Armor jackets for the weather, keep a hard top on the cool. Now it's all about the cheddar, so forget about your boo. The number one thing they tell us, easier than said done too. Stacked with passion, ain't no acting, this is classic, I'm feeling. Gaining traction cause I'm mad at measures drastic, appealing. Mental nasty, but it's magic how it happens. Deal with living tragic, but they clapping like we happy, but killers. Hey yo, moving from the losers, robbing us from the future. Like they clueless what they doing with they trust, but it's ruined. Still I'm grooving like who toothless, full of love, barbecuing. See me cruising, never bluesy as I strut, I'm improving. All that love I was show, tucked deep, very low. You corrupt, there's no, not a peep as I grow. After cut like a soul, no more weak and your woe. I'm above, so and so, they beneath, overthrown. And I travel from their pleasure, cause their pain was heavy glue. Armor jackets for the weather, keep a hard top on the cool. Now it's all about the cheddar, so forget about your boo. The number one thing they tell us, easier than said done too.